Hi, assalamualaikum guys. So today, I just bought this air humidifier, and let's see how the things work. So first of all, I will read the description box. Alright. So the name of the product is USB colorful humidifier. Working voltage is 250 until 350 ampere. Rating power 2 volt. Dimension 78 119 millimeter, and the weight is 106 gram. So yeah, as you can see, the picture of the product, nothing here. Alright, so yes, let's open it. I'm sorry if you can't see my face. Anyways, let's open it. Okay, the air humidifier. Okay, alright, we got the USB too, and the instruction manual. So yeah, let's read the instruction manual first. Alright, first of all, I must put the water inside. Let's go. After we fill this with the water, alright, we connect with the power. Alright, so instruction number 1, click the button, start to the continuous pairing mode. Ooh. Alright, next, click it again to start the intermittent spray. Alright, yes, like that. So click the button to close. Yeah, it closed. Next, for the night light operation, press the button for 3 seconds to start the warm white mode of the night light. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Alright, press the button again for 3 seconds to start the 7 colors gradual change mode. Haha, you can see. Wait. Oh, cannot. Alright, click the button lasting 3 seconds to close the night light. Okay, so nothing happened. So it shows here for the timing shutdown. It will turn off automatic after 4 hours for continuous sparing mode, and 6 hours for intermittent sparing mode. Alright, so let's read the precaution. Okay, so I will read the precautions and troubleshooting. Let's open it first. Alright, so first, please use cleaning tap water or mineral water, and it's not recommended to use distilled water to affect the humidification effect. Second, make sure the water container is only loaded with 90% of water, and no spray or spray becomes smaller mean empty and need to fill up water again. So that's it. Ooh, interesting, right? That's all from me. Thank you. Bye.